What is it?
Huh?
What is it?
It was like a big gigantic bird, but then it just left.
Yeah, I got a good one this time. Oh, there you go again.
Oh, there it goes.
Wow.
I wonder what's gonna happen. Look, it's like blocking him.
Oh, yeah, he won't let him come over.
He's like, no.
He's like, man, let me get some.
You see that?
You don't want to share the meal.
Dude, that guy just took him out. He's like, no.
Now both of them standing off. The rabbit's down.
The rabbit, what if the rabbit was still alive and just like, hey, stop it? Well, the rabbit would have already got away.
Nature in the wild, right here on the bike trail.
Probably mad that he can't get anymore.
We gotta make sure we don't become the meal, buddy.
Yeah.
There might be a lion hiding in the bushes.
I wish, because then we could just try.
Oh, look at that. He said he wants some too.
And he's not even a vulture.
Oh, poor rabbit.
Sick dragon.
Has become the meal of the day.